Unleashing expressions. Understanding, raise hell. Hello, dear language adventurers, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into an expression that's fiery, feisty, and full of flair. Raise hell. You might have encountered it in movies, songs, or even in vibrant conversations. It's a phrase that packs a punch and unleashes some strong imagery. So let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday English. Firstly, what does it mean to raise hell? Well, at its core, the phrase is used to describe causing a disturbance, creating a big fuss, or showing strong disapproval. When someone is raising hell, they're not just whispering their discontent. They're making sure everyone knows about it. Raise hell can be used in various contexts, from showing disapproval at a town meeting to partying wildly. Imagine someone shaking up the status quo or challenging authority in a noticeable way. That's raising hell. Now, let's take a brief look at the history of this expression. Raise hell is believed to have origins in the olden days, possibly with references to the supernatural act of summoning demons from hell. Today, it's less about the underworld and more about causing an uproar. Understanding its origin helps to grasp why it implies a powerful, sometimes disruptive action. How is raise hell used in real situations? Let's look at some examples. Protesting. The citizens are going to raise hell at the rally against the new policy. Partying. It was his 21st birthday, and he was ready to raise hell with his friends. Complaining. If this order is wrong, I'm going to raise hell with customer service. Demanding change. She's going to raise hell until the company improves its working conditions. In each instance, the person is not sitting quietly. They're making their voice heard, loudly and clearly. It's important to know when to use this expression. Raise hell is quite informal and can be seen as rude or aggressive in certain contexts. It's perfect for casual conversations, artistic expressions, and situations where strong language is acceptable. However, it's not the kind of phrase you would want to use in a formal setting or with people who might be easily offended. Now that we've unpacked the fiery phrase, raise hell, you're equipped to understand when and how it's used in the English language. Whether it's in a movie, a book, or an overheard conversation, you'll know that someone is making a big stir or challenging the status quo. Just remember, use this expression when the situation calls for a bit of dramatic flair, and not in your next job interview. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic exploration. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be handling English expressions like a pro. Catch you in the next video, and until then, keep raising your language learning game, not hell.